Alright guys, so it's got a little issue. A couple days ago I was driving my car and I got a code P0300, very popular code for a misfire, random misfire on LS7s, LS3s, any LS engines. So what I'm thinking is, because I went through a lot of things and I found a evap code that's got a leak, evap leak. So I don't know if that's cause for a code or not. So that's one of the issues I'm running into right now. I gotta sort that out before I start driving the car again. So if you guys have any idea, I need to do the smog test or smoke test, whatever, to find out where the leak is. But I did replace a couple things in the back. So I'm thinking my filler neck that goes down there for the fuel, from the side it goes down into things. I think there's something wrong with that because sometimes I smell fuel like from the back coming. So I'm thinking that's maybe the fuel that's causing a misfire. I read the codes earlier and it's shown cylinder 5 and cylinder 8 are kind of random misfiring. So in between the starts it would be like 3, 4, 5 misfires. And it only happens, the only misfires when I'm under load. Like if I go over 2000 RPMs, the misfire will happen. Anything on the idle and lower than that, it doesn't happen. So I'm thinking pulling this quarter panel off and going through and see where the misfire is, where the leak is, because there has a O-ring somewhere in a filler neck and it's showing. That could be one of the reasons, because I went through the check, I went through the engine department and I haven't seen nothing up there yet. So I'm thinking it's back here, but I'll run the smoke test and see if I can push any smoke into the side of the tank and see if it's coming out anywhere. Alright guys, so this is my Z06. It's 2008. Sitting out here collecting dust for the past couple days since I find out that it's got a misfire. But yeah, I'm gonna go through it and find out what's going on. So this car has a built engine. I mean, it's got everything done to it. It's got a racing long tube headers, H-pipe, Corsa exhaust. So it's got a lot of things going on. I even installed that air vent from a Camaro. It's functional. It actually keeps the engine really cool. In Canada, definitely should stop burning out all the trees, because it's really bad outside. I think we're running at like 440, whatever that thing is, air quality, it's super bad. It's not really nice out here. So I know it's not much of a video, but I'm gonna call it a day. And yeah, it's a Honda Civic. Cracking over there.